Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the messenger icon to access your messages. Once in your messages, locate the invite message you want to delete. It stands out among your conversations. Long press on the invite message. A menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. From the menu options, select Delete. This opens a confirmation dialog. Confirm your choice by tapping Delete again. This action will remove the message permanently. And that's it. Your invite message is gone, keeping your inbox clutter-free. Regularly check your messages and delete any invites you don't need. Stay organized. Consider using the archive feature to temporarily hide conversations instead of deleting. Keep your messages organized by categorizing important conversations and invites. Periodically review your archived chats. This maintains a clutter-free experience. Remind friends to only send invites when necessary, helping to reduce inbox clutter. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.